Rise up, start fresh, see the bright opportunity in each new day. Hello everyone, today we will make sketch of heron bird. Children, the herons are long-legged, freshwater and coastal bird. For this bird's sketch, first we will draw two ovals. One is small for face and one is big for his body. Now start making neck with curved line like alphabet U. Erase extra lines. After that, draw beak, legs and eyes. Now give outline with black gel pen or pilot pen. Start giving free hand strokes for texture of his feathers. For depth, we will repeat these strokes, which means we will do overlapping. Now, go through this video carefully